This section of the totally free Amazon Masterclass for publishers is about detail page optimization. And this is really the key to Amazon if you want to have any hope of selling a lot of books and making a profit on Amazon. You have to get the detail page right, or you're going to have a lot of problems, as I will shortly explain. Let's get started.
So this is an Amazon detail page. When I use the phrase detail page, I'm talking about this. This is for one of the books that my company publishes. It's by an author, Michael J. Epstein. And basically it includes a photo, title, description. If you scroll down, it includes something called A+ content. This is a new feature. And then if you go even further down, some of the data about the book, and then finally, the reviews. Amazon detail page optimization is one of the most important things that you can do to help your books sell better on Amazon. It really is the key, and that's why I'm covering this very early in this Amazon totally free masterclass for publishers. So these things that I've just circled there, it's the key. More readers, more revenue if you do it right, better Amazon organic search ranking, and better Amazon advertising results. And really, this is the important thing. You have some degree of limited control over how these elements work. For instance, you can redesign your book cover. You have control over the title and the subtitle that are used. You can do things to encourage people to give reviews to your books. And also you can do things like set the price and write a description. And also, all of these tips, all of these things that you learn by changing your cover, making a good title, making a good description, getting reviews, they can be applied to other platforms as well. So the goals of a good detail page, and the first thing is just to get people excited about your book, turn them from browsers into buyers, and then also increase revenue and profit. However, some other publishers may have secondary goals associated with their detail page, such as building a brand, maybe giving more kind of legitimacy to the author, and lowering advertising costs and better organic search placement. So there are all these goals that are going on, but really at the heart of it is getting readers excited about the book and then turning them from a browser to a buyer. One thing that's really important now, especially now, is that most people browsing on Amazon, they're actually using the Amazon mobile app. And the detail page, the information still shows up on the mobile app, but it's arranged differently. They highlight different things. For instance, the first thing you see on the left side here, this is the first pane before you start scrolling down. It's just a big picture of the book cover plus the reviews and the title. If you go further down, pricing, and then finally some other details about the publisher. And you should notice the description is way, way down. It's actually below the A+ content. And I think publishers need to understand that actually A+ content for that reason is a lot more important than the description. If you're going to spend a lot of time on something, make it the A+ content. The description, yes, it's still something that some people will read, but far more people will see the A+ content, so you better make sure that you do it right.
That wasn't so hard, was it? There are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. They're totally free. You don't have to pay anything. There's no gimmick or anything like that. So watch them at your leisure, skip around, and also be sure to like it if it helps you out. Thank you so much for watching.